Dreaming, being transported to little paradise. Dreaming, entering the dimension of surreal nature's perfections. Dreaming, touching the fabric of dreams. From thrilling of adventures into unforgettable nightlife. Savor the flavors of culinary excellence while enjoying the breathtaking views of nature. Set off an unparalleled journey of hospitality where each moment is thoughtfully chosen to create an unforgettable encounter. Harvest unforgettable memories as you immerse in our farm, a celebration of nature's bounty. Farm to table adventure. Host our ideal gatherings in our locations where each second turn into treasured memory. Appleton Little Paradise in the tropical town of Real, Quezon offer indulged experience beyond the ordinary. Escape to a sanctuary where nature's embrace meets the pinnacle of comfort. Our resort is a haven crafted for those who seek more than just accommodation. It's an immersive journey nestled amid lush landscapes. Our accommodations redefine opulence, offering a retreat where every room is a cocoon of comfort with sweeping views that weave seamlessly with the beauty of the surroundings. Discover the Little Paradise Retreat where nature harmonizes to create an unforgettable experience. Book your escape today.